Got everything, I got everything. I cannot complain, I don't even know how much I...
Hi, my name is everyone teach me Chef JJ.
No, it's call me JJ.
No, everyone calls me Chef JJ.
I got that all-black Cadillac, midnight drive. Got that gas pedal lean back, taking my time. I'm rolling out, roof off, letting in.
Ayan, nakakatawa yung pangalan niya. Pok Pok Wings. Because it's a Pok Pok Wing.
There you go, wishing, floating down, I wish it. It's like I'm always causing problems, I didn't mean to.
Wala tayong internet. Wala akong mapaglagyan. Sa taas muna. Bilang po. Okay, sa bag ko po. Sa lahat ko malulusaw.
Put you through this, I could. We gonna sweep this under the carpet.
I'd like to thank everyone for spending your Saturday with me. This is the top-rated social meetup. So, walang agenda. There's no official agenda. The agenda for today is for you guys to enjoy the afternoon and to have fun, relax, at least relax for once, and then get to know the other top-rated freelancers here in Manila. Because number one, we know wala tayong friends. Because as freelancers, we don't have friends. Wala tayong barkada. And then, number two, it's also our thank you to you guys for being consistently top-rated and for supporting the platform. You know, without you guys, the platform wouldn't be thriving anyway. So yeah. So thank you. Yes, and today our host will be. Let's also thank Chef JJ for inviting us to this.
Take it slow, but it's not typical. He already knows that
Hi, I'm Kate. 6 years now sa Upwork. I'm doing everything under the sun. Yeah. But I have my forever. Hi, forever.
Uy! Shout out!
I'm Liz.
my God, you look good today. My God, you look good today. Yeah. Back up, do it slow mo.
Oh my God, she look right though. Me and you, that's our ISO. Way so small, look like lipo. Moonwalk my.
Ganda ng short mo, Miss Avery.
My God, you look good today. My God, you look good.
My name is JJ Yulo and I work in food. I'm a food creative because I do creative work. I want to pursue something I really like. So I went to culinary school. I went to New York City. I went to this school called the Institute of Culinary Education. Best thing I ever did. To fast forward everything, I came back and then I said I didn't want to open a restaurant. The truth of this industry is that even when you're in it for a long time, there still is much to learn. It's a continuous learning process. And the best chefs are always the most humble ones. Who will admit to themselves, I don't know everything. And I still want to learn new things.
Yes.
It's called Pok Pok chicken. The sound of the mortar when they yung tinatantad yung sili and lime and whatever. The next dish is not quite Thai, it's sort of Thai. I made a corn salad. So it's corn, cherry tomatoes, and some dressing. And then I put some Kitayama hammer steak. This is cilantro sauce. This is kind of spicy. So if you want spicy, do put some of the cilantro sauce on top of that. Their claim to fame is they serve these huge roasted crabs. And the side dish is, they just call it garlic noodles. Very cryptic. We really have to lessen our beef consumption because beef is not good for the environment.
Kasi yung water consumption for cow to grow that meat to become beef. So, sobrang laki nung consumption niya ng tubig.
It's everything. It's the whole, it's their waste, what they eat.
Yeah.
And because dumadaming tao, dumadami din yung after effects ng ng baka.
We could be beautiful, get drunk on the good
Ang aga mo, sakto ka sa sa dessert.
And then,
life. I'll take you to paradise. Say you'll never let me go. Deep in my bones, I can feel you. Take me back to a time only we knew how to wait.
Merong upcoming Christmas party. We usually do those types of events naman. It's just this time around, gusto ko lang ng small so that we can try doing. Kasi for the longest time, we've been doing a party in QC eh. Lagi kami nagpa-party quarterly sa QC. Party manager with Elance and Oden. And then, that's what he said. Sabi niya, tinuruan na ako na parang, ganito pag mag-manage ng event, blah, blah, blah. Not knowing na ipapasa pala sa akin yung baton for this role. So, kala ko yung baton.
she's my hero. So strong, no, this one. Ay, palapakan naman ang siya.
Iyak mo ba?
Oh me, oh me, oh my. I think I done fucked too many women from the 305. For the end of this year, I'll do King of Diamonds 3 more times. Smoking on that kush out.
Chef, thank you, Chef.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
All in our section like it's legalized, girl. You can't always have your way. Sometimes it be like that. They don't really fuck with you like that. They never did me like that. I just took my time. You got to shine. I let you eat like that. I've been taught to never loan.